Alright, then you take these two Teflon guides and then use number 10, 24 knots. So one knot go in, another knot goes in. Almost all the way in. Do not tighten it though. And then one of them is a little longer, about maybe half an inch. And then the longer one sits on the first hole. The shorter one, the longer sits on the second hole. The shorter sits on the first hole. And then, so it goes like this. Oh, I forgot. Then goes a lock washer. Actually, you could put the lock washer here, or you could also put it for the other bolt. I just put it here. Then it goes in. It's easier. And then same, the lock washer goes in, and then goes in. And for the other side, you tighten the knot. Alright. If you notice that the filament doesn't go through very easily, then you can remove the lock washer. Okay. So I don't want to tighten it. And then, so the first one goes into the first, goes through this hole on the top and goes into the first. Actually, if I kind of put it properly in. I didn't put it in for now because we're going to just test it to make sure everything is good, and then we put the lid back in and then we tighten it. But the second Teflon tube goes into the second position like this, and then you push it all the way in. All right. Then we want to have this 140 millimeter fan. So this is when you're printing with PLA. You want to be able to blow at the part and cool it down. For ABS, if you're printing a small part, that could blow a little to cool it off. And because it's going to blow, it will be installed this way, and the wire is going to go like this. So this is the correct installation, and it's going to go sit here. So you install the mounts. Left mount, this is the right mount. So it's going to go like this. Then use a flathead to be able to get to the screw. Just put it in and have it screwed. you don't want to tighten it too much, you can. It's just plastic, right? Alright, so one side down, the other side same way. So it's a 632 3/8 of an inch, the screw size. Just a little bit more there. All right, and then it is going to sit. So when you look at it, it's going to sit somewhere here in front of the fan, and so that the fan doesn't stick out. So because it was optional, didn't intend to provide the fan, but now I'm giving it to all the printers. I didn't put the holes on the top, so I'm going to have it drilled. So again, it's going to be not exactly in the center, let's say in between the two fans, and closer to the edge. And then again, it's the number 632 3/8 of an inch. Goes from the top, and then just screw it in. So that's one. Then figure here. And this is two. Alright, you could use knots if you want on the other side. I don't think it's necessary. Just going to do one knot for now. Alright. Okay. So that takes care of the fan. If we want to see from the top, or if we want to see from the side. Alright,